I don't know.
Did you jizz?
Huh?
Did you jizz?
No.
You psyched?
A little bit sick. I thought I was going to wrestle way later.
Yeah, that kid looked really strong. Was he just not?
Yeah, it wasn't very strong. You ever get those kids that are like, they're like strong from the tie-up but not anywhere else, you know? He's like that.
He looked a lot bigger than you.
I might be able to make it to 74 next year.
How'd you get the takedown? I didn't see that.
I lifted his collar tie and shot a high cross. And then he stopped initially and I tried to do the lift, but he was too tall, and then he just fell over, so. For me to rematch with the kid who beat me the first time in the third place match.
You're in the third place match? You sure about that?
Yeah, that was a semifinal because the guy injury defaulted out on my wrestleback.
Oh, really?
Yeah, from Obama. And I really wanted to wrestle him.
Why?
Because he wrestled for my rival high school. And he was a senior when I was a freshman, so he's a senior now. I wanted to beat him. He wrestles for Augsburg now. I wanted to tell everybody my first college win was over Jackson, Obama.
Well, technically next year will be your first college win.
Yeah, true.
All right.
I didn't know riding the ankle was a stall. Thought it was a legitimate ride.
You got to be working for,
Yeah. No, I was trying to do CrossFit and stuff for this stall.
don't pin yourself. He did today, too.
Really?
Yeah, that's how he's in the loser's bracket. He was winning like 6-0 when he got pinned. You're just a scrappy little bastard.
Brian needs to get that deal with him.
What?
Brian needs to get that deal with him.
2, 3, 4, 5.
The little girl just ran off to help him. That is hilarious. Did you see what Biggle Walk won?
No, I heard you got a concussion.
Yeah, dude. It was... He was winning. He went in for a shot. It was a real nice shot. It hit the kid's head. And he got the takedown. Then kind of slid off. The other kid had injury time earlier in the match for his knee. And I thought it was the other kid. And Biggle Walk was like saying, like, what's this kid doing? Turns out, Biggle Walk looks up and goes, where am I? I was like, ah. He said where am I like 6 times.
I would be quite confused if I concussed myself and woke up here.
Yeah.
Big snow tent.
I've never seen somebody look so confused in my life. He definitely would have beat that kid though. think the other kid has to get stitches, though.
So what did they do for the result?
Other kid wins.
Damn.
Funny thing is, the other kid almost never defaulted. He was down to like 20 seconds of injury time.
Really?
Yeah.
God, I wish I was fast and black.
He was turning in and coming up, and that kid was coming down. Probably why. Was there something in Oregon or something?
I think he's got to do something. Don't just belly out again. Push down on his head.
This is Bryman's domain and not Mincy's. Third period, 8th match of the day.
Nice little pace there.
At least you can still win this. Gotta go though.
Oh, forgot to film. Just watching the match. My bad.
Oh, she's gonna be there. She got